Hi guys, today we are going to make a chasing game. So first I am going to delete this cat sprite. I am going to use I'm going to find a space one. So I'm going to take Kiran. I'm going to choose backdrop. Going to go to space and take galaxy. Moon. Nebula. Space. I'm going to take 6 backdrops. Space City 2. Stars. Okay. I'm going to delete this white backdrop. Now we have 6 backdrops. So Galaxy is our first backdrop. So now I am going to find another sprite. And that would be the star. Okay, so now I'm going to change the star's costume later. Okay, so first I am going to add code to Kiran. I'm going to make Kiran a little smaller. 70. Okay, 70. She's so small. I guess I'll change it into 80. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I am going to add code to Kiran. So I'm going to go to the controls. No, I mean the events. Take one green flag clicked block, and then I'm going to go to the motions category, and I'm going to add light 1/6 to mouse pointer. So now I'm going to make her say something before starting the game. So I'm going to make her say let's catch some stars. Okay, now I am going to go to the controls block and add a forever loop. here. Now I'm going to go again back to the motions block and add this. Go to here. No, not here. I'm going to add it here. Okay. So it will come back to its position. Okay. Now I am going to go to the stars and I'm going to go to random position, go to the controls, add a forever block or loop, and go to the events, add a when green flag click block, and go to the controls, wait until block, and then I'm going to add touching mouse pointer. Instead of touching mouse pointer, I'm going to write Kiran. If it touches Kiran, it is going to go to a random position. So I'm going to go to the motions category and I'm going to go to again to the star, so it will come back to its place. Okay, now I'm going to make a variable. So variable name, I'm going to name the variable as scores for all sprites. Okay, now I'm going to add set my score. Set scores to 0 when the game starts and change score when it touches Kiran, and I'm going to make the star to make a sound collect. I'm going to add it before go to random position. Or you can add it in the middle too. Okay, so now I am going to go to Kiran and I'm going to make five levels, and I'm going to go to wait until. I go to the control block and add a wait until block, go to the operators, add this block, going to add 10. Now I am going to go to the to the event block, not the motion. When green flag clicked block, go to the variables, drag the scores here. Okay. So wait until when score turns into 10. So I'm going to make it change costume. No, not change costume, change backdrop. Okay, after galaxy there's moon. And I'm going to add switch backdrop back to galaxy when the game starts. Now I'm going to put it here and I'm going to make her stay. Level 2. Level 2. Now I'm going to right click it and click duplicate, and I'm going to make 5 because there are 5 levels. Scroll down, 4, 5. Okay, Now I'm going to write 20, 30, 40, and okay. Now I'm going to change its backdrop. Nebula and space, not Space City. Oh, space. Okay. Then Space City 2, and then stars. I'm going to add duplicate again here, and I'm going to remove this, add this, wait until 60. Okay, now I'm going to delete this, just drop it here, and then I'm going to make her say at the end, congratulations, you have completed all the levels. Okay. And I'm going to make her say again, thanks for helping. Thanks. For helping me catch the stars. Okay. Now I am going to wait. Okay. Level 4. Level 5. We were making 6 levels, right? Okay, so guess I'm going to keep it here. Going to delete this, going to remove this, and I'm going to find sound. Pop. Not pop, cheer. Okay, not this cheer. I'm going to go to the sound and start sound. Cheer. Okay. Now, I guess the game is ready. So let's try it. It is working. Okay. So let's try it. Oh, good. She's standing in her correct position and the backdrop changed into galaxy. Now I'm going to name it as Catch the Stars with Kiran. It's Iran. Okay, caps lock. Kiran. Okay, done. Now I'm going to save now. Click save now. You can make many games like this using many different characters and many different backdrops. You can see the tutorials and you'll get many ideas from the tutorials. Okay, so bye and keep coding. And don't forget to share this. Let's go. Okay, bye. And don't forget to like and start. Okay. Write your instruction notes and credits. So you want to see my real project, you can go to TIS Alicia and see my real project. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.